Hope you're all doing great. Just clicking on the video. So when I first moved to Duns, I went over to the local church. It was about the same time when Diesel passed away, and I remember being really upset in there. And a really kind gentleman came up to me and asked me if I would film the trucking festival that's taking place in Duns this weekend. So I'm going to take the camera into the square and see what I can get. Do you fancy coming along? Come on then. Yeah, that was totally ace. Hope you've enjoyed the video, guys. I'll see you on the next one, yeah?